Question number 5. So basically question number 5 is from chapter 9, simple harmonic motion. Okay, we have the case of simple pendulum that has the length of 1.5 meter and the mass of the bob, pendulum bob, is 10 gram. So we have the information of length and also mass. So the first question is to calculate the period of the pendulum. So hopefully you still remember from chapter 9, the last subtopic of chapter 9, we have the equation. We have learned about the period of the simple pendulum, and the equation for period for simple pendulum is equal to T is equal to 2 pi square root L over G. Okay, so we have 2 pi. Our length must be in SI unit and G is 9.81, and your period is supposed to be 2.46 seconds. For the second question, so the question is if you want the period of the pendulum to be 1 second and calculate the new length of the pendulum. Okay, so we want to find the period. Again, we use the similar equation as in the previous question. L over G, period is 1, 2 pi. Okay, we want to find L over 9.81. Your L is supposed to be 0.248 meter. And the last question is, if the bob is replaced with a new bob of mass 40 gram, will the period remains the same? Before we answer the question, we need to be clear that for the simple pendulum, the period is only affected by the length based on the equation. Okay, so even we are changing the mass, so it will not affect our period. Okay, so the answer is yes, the period is remaining the same. Why? Because our period, okay, because we need to justify, does not depend on mass for this case.